Hey everyone, Jason Weckerle here. Tonight I'm getting out and I'm gonna try for some walleyes, some bass, some panfish, whatever bites, because I've been catching a little bit of everything this week in between all the freaking rain and storms southeastern Wisconsin just got. Recently, we just had record amounts of rainfall here in Wisconsin, and we had record floods. People had a lot of damage to their vehicles, their homes. My heart goes out to all the people suffering from that right now because we got a lot of rain. Up to 14 and a half inches of rain fell in southeastern Wisconsin in less than 24 hours. But what happens during the summertime on any of these lakes in Wisconsin that are connected to river systems? When we get these floods, a lot of the fish that move out deep in the summertime will start to migrate inshore and start feeding around dams, bridges, any canal or any areas that have flowing current in them. Because current attracts bait fish, it attracts the predatory fish, the panfish, the catfish even. So I'm gonna try tonight and see if I can catch a few fish here for you folks. Let's get out there and see what happens. It is absolutely muggy out here right now. It's 92% humidity and like a 71 dew point or something. We finally got down here. It's nice and quiet. I think we're gonna catch some fish. There we go. There we go. Oh, I don't got my net opened up. Only using 4-pound line, so. Oh. That was on the 2-inch Kitech Easy Shiner. There you go, folks. Little walleye. Fun on the ultralight rod. It's on that little crappie jig. That's all I'm using right there. The 2-inch Kitech Easy Shiner. Sorry for the traffic, but fishing by a street. That's just a little panfish jig, and it catches a lot of walleyes sometimes too. But let's see if we can get another one. There we go. Another one. What? Oh, that's a good fish. Gotta take it easy on that 4-pound line. Another walleye. It is not common that you catch walleyes in the middle of summer this shallow. Oh, lost them. Oh well, we'll get another one.
5 minutes later.
Well, folks, I just caught this monster thick crappie on the Rapala Original, the 5-inch model of all things. That's a big one right there. I was just about to change locations, and we might give it a few more casts with that Rapala now. Maybe they want some bigger baits tonight, I don't know, but that's a monster crappie. But we're not keeping them tonight. I don't keep crappies and white bass in the summertime. They just get mushy, don't taste as good. There we go. All right, a few fish are biting. Got a couple walleyes, a crappie, lost a few fish. But I brought my catfishing gear along. I was being kind of lazy tonight. Didn't know if I was gonna set it up, but then when I was looking down in the water with my spotlight, I saw like channel catfish that was probably about 15 pounds swimming by. So that's all the inspiration I need to set up some catfishing gear. I'm just gonna throw some chicken livers out, If I get another crappie or a panfish or something, I'll throw some cut bait out, but gotta get back to my car and get back to the spot so no one steals my shit. So let's see if we can catch some catfish. All right, so the bait my wife and I are using tonight is just chicken livers. Nothing special, very common bait to use in catfishing. Really disgusting bait to use catfishing, bloody. But they don't stay on the hook very well. So what I like to do is I like to use spawn sack netting. I like to get the wider netting, about 3.5 inches wide. And you cut out squares about 3 to 4 inches long of this netting. Tonight I'm gonna have to put it away because it's raining out and misting, so I don't want this netting getting too wet. Otherwise it just clumps up and turns into a big hassle. And what you do is you take that netting, lay it down on a flat surface. Always have a pair of scissors with you. And you cut pieces of that liver, put it right in the middle. This is the netting that you tie salmon and trout eggs with, so basic concept, fold all the corners like a spawn sack. We'll start out with a chunk of bait like that, and just put it on your hook, and that netting helps hold it on secure. Really secure, actually. Just like that. I'm using like a size, I think it's like a size 1 or 2 hook. But just like that. That's all you gotta do. Right now I'm using a 4,000 size spinning reel. Any 4,000 size spinning reel will do. This is just a quantum reel that I paid 20 bucks for at Walmart many years ago. But I'm running 40-pound Power Pro braided fishing line as my main line. And today I'm just using a 1-ounce slip sinker. If you have more current, deeper water, go with something heavier, but 1 ounce does the job here. And I'm running a 40-pound test monofilament leader, trilene bait game. And I run really short leaders, only about a foot long or less, because you get snagged up a lot less and you don't need long leaders for catfish. But I'm running a ball bearing swivel, heavy duty, to a plastic bead or rubber bead, so it protects the knot, and a slip sinker. So basic catfishing gear. This is just an ugly stick catfish rod. You can buy them at Walmart for 40-50 bucks. Nothing special. You don't need expensive gear for catfish, because sometimes you might lose a rod in the water. So don't bring your St. Croix, G. Loomis, your top dollar setups catfishing, because you might lose them. All right, folks, I just put this rod out and I already had a pull on it, a really hard tug. Like 2 minutes after throwing both of these rods out. Maybe I should check it. Nothing. That was the first bite. Only took 2 minutes. I always check my chicken livers every 15 minutes or so. They lose their scent and their flavor fairly quickly, but let's get that back out there. And just loosen your drag on your reel so those fish can take the line, like I said, and not your rod. But there we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. You guys heard that. 3 bites in the past 3 minutes. Should have had my catfish rods out sooner tonight. Not sure why they're just pecking at it like that. I mean, they're pretty hard bites, but it's like they're not getting it in their mouth. Could be little ones. Hopefully not snapping turtles. That one stole the chicken liver. Damn it. But hey, we're getting bites. That's what's important. Now that's a bite. Got him. Yes. There we go. Ah, that feels good. Oh, crap. Ah. Ugh. Got my other line in here still. There we go. That one actually took it good. That one took it like a man. It feels like a good fish too. Really good fish. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's fighting a lot harder than a little walleye or crappie, that's for damn sure. Yeah. I'm seeing walleyes swimming by right now in front of me. Two of them. Cannot get these suckers to bite really well tonight. Not like the other night when my wife and me smashed them, but this is a big fish. It's been a long time since I felt a catfish this size. There are flatheads in this lake, but you're not allowed to fish for them. They put them in here to control the carp. Even though they're not doing a good job of it, there's millions of carp in here. But every once in a while you get a big flathead. This thing is feeling a lot bigger than any channel cat I've ever fought. Haven't even seen it yet. What a blast. How can we not love catfish when they fight like this? Just hope it's not a turtle. But it's, no, that's a big catfish. Huge. Hope I don't lose it. It's huge. Pretty sure this sucker scared all the walleyes out of here, but I don't care. This made my night so far. As long as I catch it. It's absolutely a monster. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Oh. That's what I'm talking about, people. Yes. That's a big channel cat. Look at that. Ah. Gotta get the pliers. That is awesome. That's a monster. That sucker fought me good. There we go, folks. That is a big. Arr. He's talking to you, folks. Huge channel catfish. Sucker weighs at least 14, 15 pounds. Now for the release. Oh, he's gone. That was incredible. One of the best catfish fights I've had, maybe ever, like with channel cats. Hot as hell out here, but let's get another one. All right, just released that other fish. Now I got another one. Oh man, I'm gonna have to put that one in the holder for now. Let him fight a little bit. There we go. He can do whatever he wants on that rod while I get this one in. Oh, there we go. Have not even been able to get the walleye rod back in. Just got these rods back out. So far not feeling as big as the first one, but who knows? Haven't seen it yet. What a blast, folks. This is hardest fighting fish I've had on in a long time. Caught a lot of bass, walleyes, pike, panfish this spring and summer, but a few carp. Went carp fishing, but it's the first catfishing trip of the year and it's turned out a success. About to just run one rod because running two has been a little bit stressful. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Oh, there we go, folks. Might have to put the walleye gear away and focus on these because they keep biting so much. Alright folks, there's another one. Not a very big one, but nice chunky fish. Sweating my balls off, but there we go. Let's get some more before the morning comes. We're supposed to have sunrise in about probably an hour and a half or so. But if these things stop biting, I'll start casting for walleyes again and crappies, but this is too fun. They fight hell of a lot harder than a walleye, so let's get some more. All right, got another one. I'm only running a single rod right now because I'm getting so many bites I can't run 2 or 3 rods. Oh my god. Thing's fighting like a king salmon. Taking off right into that current out into the main lake. Sorry, had to turn your ass around a little bit. Try not to tear the hook out, but forget I'm using 40-pound lines sometimes. I can kind of pull back a little bit, but used to catching all those walleyes and panfish and bass. This might be a really big fish again. Hopefully bigger than the last one, because I know that there's ones in this lake over 20 pounds, so. Seen an ice fisherman one time catch one through the ice. Had to be 25 pounds. We had to drill another hole just to get him up up on the ice, because the guy only had an 8-inch hole, so. Oh, I lost him. Oh, that sucks. Oh man. What the heck happened? Did I break my line or what the heck? I don't know what the heck happened here. That sucks. Well, you folks seen it. You seen it, you witnessed it. That was a fish. Damn it. Just came off. That's all it was. Got the hook right there. Damn it. Well, now I got both of my rods back out. The sun is just starting to rise. It's like twilight right now. Been a very productive evening of catfishing. I wish I just came out here for catfish tonight, to be honest with you. It was nice catching a few walleyes and a couple of nice sized crappies, but it's not as fun as catching those big catfish. Oh, there we go. Got a bite. Oh, missed them. Son of a bitch. Stole my liver. Oh man. These guys are putting me out of business with this chicken liver tonight. I only brought one container just to try it, and well, it's almost light out. It doesn't look like it right now, but the sun is actually rising behind the camera and bridge right here. But I gotta get these lines out, take advantage of this. They're still biting. But they're still biting into the morning and daylight, so I'm gonna keep trying. I'm not really liking these eagle claw hooks anymore. I've been having a few of them breaking on me catfishing and carp fishing lately, so, and I have thousands of them that I've bought over the years. Might as well use them up, but they're not hooking and holding up very well. That felt like a good fish. Let's try to get another one.
2 seconds later.
Holy crap, folks. This fish literally just ripped the rod holder right out of the ground. It hit so hard. Oh my God. Oh man. That was something else. I was lucky I got to the rod on time. Whew. That's a big fish. Whew. Damn. Glad I got to this rod on time. Oh man, what a fight. Sorry folks, I'm just concentrating right now. This is a big fish. Good sized catfish. Oh man. That'll wake you up. Yes, that's a good one. Whew. What a fight. That one ripped the frickin' rod holder right out of the ground. Couldn't believe it. I thought that rod holder was snug. It's a nice size one. Not a huge one, but man did he fight. There we go. Awesome. Let's hope they keep biting. Woo! Gave me a shower. Let's keep catching these things, hopefully. I mean, they haven't stopped biting for the past 2 hours, 3 hours. I've missed a lot more bites than I got on camera. Lost a couple fish I thought I had on camera, but my battery was dead. But let's see how late into the morning these fish will bite. It has been a very fantastic night of fishing. These floods at least brought one good thing to southern Wisconsin, and that's good fishing on these flowage lakes. Anywhere you can find this current, whether that be a dam, a canal, a creek, a river mouth, a narrows with a bridge, if you can find that current, you're going to find the fish. Even a sewer tunnel pumping water into a lake, like a drainage tunnel, can draw a lot of fish to shore. As you guys can see, I mean, catching walleyes and crappies midsummer in 5 feet of water or less is very unusual. I'm just gonna give it until those catfish rods stop going off. I only have the one out right now, so I wanted to cast, and trying to run 2 of them and cast has been impossible tonight. I got out here actually really late tonight because I was working on a video trying to get it released, and I just couldn't sit there at the computer anymore when it was nice out. I knew that these fish were shallow. I had to go fishing. Oh, there we go. Holy crap! As I was saying, oh man, that one hooked himself. Holy crap. Man, when they want that liver, they take it. Holy crap. This might be a really big one, but even some of those smaller ones were taking it really hard. They've all been really respectable, nice sized catfish, but I lost a couple tonight that felt super heavy. I saw one get caught out of here at Channel Cat that was at least 25 pounds. It was just a blubbery beast of a fish. Hope I don't lose this one. It's always disappointing when you take a long time to battle a fish and then it pops off your hook or breaks your line. We don't go fishing to lose them, do we, folks? I did not think they were going to keep biting into the daylight hours. Starting to wonder if they do bite during the day out here, but if I know these lakes, these clear lakes around here in Wisconsin, these fish are very nocturnal creatures. Can almost guarantee you'll catch most of your fish at night or sunrise and sunset, no matter what you're fishing for. It's fighting good, folks. This is a really strong fish. He took a lot of freaking line too. Oh my god. I was getting kind of worried. He took off right for open water. Sorry. Want to at least see this fish without losing. Oh yeah, big fish. Where's my net? Oh, that's a big one. Oh, biggest one of the night. Ooh. Nice. Feeling mighty blessed tonight. There we go. That is a big one, folks. Look at that. 15-pounder at least. Look at him. Give him a kiss, folks. Isn't he cute? Meow. All right. Smells like a porta potty, this fish, but What a battle. Give him a little, whoo, spank him on the tail, and that's what he does. Awesome.
The next day.
Alright, got the fish. There we go, got him. Here you go, babe. Alright, Michelle. That didn't take long, hey?
We might just have to use one rod tonight.
Yeah, I'm trying to get 2 rods out. Sorry for all the rain and mist, folks. This is kind of a wet one tonight. But we've only been here for 5 minutes and already got 2 bites right off the bat. How's it feeling?
Big?
Big?
Yeah, I think so. I haven't caught a catfish in a long time. It's been a few years, I think.
Yeah.
Or more. Probably like 5 years.
That was just a small piece of liver.
Yeah, it might be a nicer one.
Fight a lot better than those shallow water ones in the Fox River, hey?
Yeah.
Well, those fish barely have any room to move around. These ones can take off to sea, rip your line out there, and got a lot of depth to fight. Catch a lot of them in the Fox River that are pretty nice size, but well, the Fox River in southern Wisconsin is very shallow. Yep. Watch it be a muskie. Chicken liver muskie.
This thing's big. Now it's just crazy fuckers. If they fight that hard and they're not big, then that's crazy.
Alright, got my headlamp on. Good fight. There's some walleyes going by. Just saw them.
Making my arms sore already. I just started.
Taking a lot out of you?
Yeah. Might be big. I don't know. I haven't fought one in a long time.
Sorry.
Try not to force it.
It's already been like 2-minute battle.
I know. There it is. It's big. Oh, that's a nice one.
That's a good one.
Yeah. That's a really good one. You don't have a flat one?
No.
It looks
There we go.
Ooh, holy moly.
Good fight?
Yeah.
It's a good one. This is about as big as they get at the Fox River.
Yeah.
So they get way bigger in this lake.
I don't think I've caught one that big in a long time.
Years.
Over 10 years, easily for me.
There we go. Ah, don't hook yourself. Ah, he just hooks himself again.
Oh, come on.
He's like, I hate my life. Take me home and eat me.
Like right here.
Yep. That's a good fish, babe.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice work. Let's get some pictures. No. Really nice. There we go.
Good?
Let him go.
All right. Here you go, kid.
Meow. All right, everyone. I finally made it home. It was an outstanding night of fishing. I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this video. And I mean, if that water wasn't high and rushing from these floods, I would not be having walleyes, crappies, and all these fish biting right now. So just take advantage of it when you have floods and the rivers are unfishable. Find those areas on lakes that funnel current, push current out, like the dams, the sewer tunnels, bridges, narrows, canals, whatever. I won't repeat myself anymore, but if you guys like this page, like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my page and help the page grow. Take care. Good luck fishing.